Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on OracleTexHomepage.com as well as the OracleTexHomepage.com app. And looking at that weather pattern, not a bad day across the region today with that mix of clouds and sunshine. You can see off to our north, we do have rain associated with a cold front, which may give us a possibility for a few showers across the region tomorrow. As this frontal system will move south through the region for your Tuesday. We'll enter the northern sections of the area in the morning and then move through the rest of the region during the afternoon. Not going to produce a lot of rain, and it's quite possible many of us may get totally missed by this first round of rain associated with this first cold front, the first of three, which will affect us here during the course of the next 7 days. That being said, let's talk temperature, and you can see lows tonight across the Oracletex will be above normal, mainly in the mid-50s, 54 degrees in Texarkana, 57 degrees tonight for the low temperature in Shreveport. Daytime highs tomorrow really depends on where you live. Where the front moves through sooner, temperatures will be cooler tomorrow, probably low to middle 60s. Northern sections of the area will see upper 60s, low 70s where the front moves through later across the southern sections of the area. That includes 69 degrees in Shreveport. Of course, in Texarkana, the front will move through sooner, so your high temperature right around 62, 63 degrees. Here's a look at Robin's Chart of Futurecast, showing you the effects of this first cold front coming in. As we go through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see some scattered showers try to develop, mainly over the northern sections of the area closer to that front. Again, the rain chances will shift to the south as we work our way towards noon. Probably late morning, early afternoon as far as Shreveport and points to the south. And you can see we will stay cloudy for the most part tomorrow. Expect a mostly cloudy sky across the region tomorrow night and Wednesday, as we'll be between cold fronts, and a more significant front will approach the area as we look ahead to Thursday. And you can see the rain associated with this front by Wednesday evening off to our north and the northeastern sections of Oklahoma. That activity will work its way southward Wednesday night and especially Thursday. You can see these showers moving into the northern sections of the area Thursday morning. That rain, much more widespread and a bit heavier, will shift to the south, and notice quite a bit more in terms of wind associated with this second cold front as well, as we'll see temperatures well below normal behind it as we go into Friday and Saturday. In fact, it's quite possible with quite a few clouds lingering across the region, at least during the morning hours, much of the Oracletex could stay in the 40s for highs as we look ahead to Friday. Now, as far as rainfall potential, shouldn't cause too many issues, as most of the Oracletex will receive less than an inch. Where we have a bit more in terms of upper level support, might see an inch, inch and a half in those areas of green, basically along and northwest of Interstate 30. Further to the south in East Texas and northwest Louisiana, amounts probably less than a half an inch, at least according to Futurecast here, moving through the last half of the work week. And this is the second of three that will affect us. You can see the upper level energy that's going to move through Thursday. That system pushes through, nice surge of colder air comes in. Then here comes another surge of chilly air, which will give us another chance for some rain. That looks relatively light for Monday, but behind this third system, we could easily see some of the coldest air of the season so far. Big upper level low centered over the southeastern sections of Canada, ridge here across the western sections of Canada. Perfect equation to allow temperatures here to perhaps dip well into the 20s as we go into the middle part of next week. Meantime, your forecast here at home for the next 7 days, looking actually pretty nice for the next couple of days, pretty close to normal. Upper 60s to low 70s for nighttime lows. Lows will be in the 50s. Behind that next cold front, you can see Friday in Shreveport, only 50 for the high, despite some afternoon sunshine. This weekend we start to warm up again. Lows will be in the 30s, highs back up into the mid-60s for Sunday. And you can see the effects of that next cold front Monday, high only at 53, with a shot for some showers across the region. In Texarkana, you're looking at highs basically in the 60s for the next several days. Behind this second cold front, 48 for the high Friday. Expect temperatures Sunday back to the 60s, only to retreat back to the 50s as we go into the first half of next week. And again, Monday night, Tuesday, and Tuesday night, some rather chilly air in place across much of the region. I do think Monday night we could see lows in the mid-20s, not out of the question, next Tuesday morning across much of the Oracletex. So the way it looks right now, not one, not two, but three cold fronts will move through the region during the next 7 days. It looks like the heaviest rain can be expected with the second front as we look ahead to Thursday.